What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be drawing Agent P from Brawl Stars. Let's get started in the center of our page with the glasses. So we start on the left side, we're going to draw a straight line from left to right, going along the top of the glasses. Now back on the left side we're going to draw a half circle, curving down and then up, just on the left side of center. Come down, just going to pull that up to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right, starting on the outside, curve down, and we'll pull that up. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's add two small highlights on the top left of each eye. So we're going to start on the left, we're going to draw a circle. And we'll line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to go in and fill the inside of the glasses in black. Let's move to the center and draw on the beak. We're going to start with a point right in the middle. From this point I want to curve out and down towards the left side. We just want to touch the edge of the glasses. Go to the center and go out and down towards the right. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a curve, coming down and then up. Now we're going to draw on the bottom of the beak, starting back on the left. We'll curve down and pull that in towards the center. Then we'll go out and up on the right. Let's move back up and draw on the eyebrows. From the top corner of the glasses, we're going to step up and draw a straight angled line coming down towards the center of the glasses. Come down and then in. Then from here we're going to curve up and then out towards the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're just going to flatten this off, going up with a straight line. Now we're going to follow that same angled line coming down and then in to right about there. And from here we go straight up toward the center of the eyebrow, go across with a short line, and we'll pull this down. Now from here we're going to curve up the right side of the eyebrow, going up and out, and we'll connect the top and bottom with a straight angled line. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now that we completed the face, let's draw on the outside of the head. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve coming down underneath the beak and then back up on the right side. Let's move back to the left and round out the side of the head. We're going to curve out, round this out. Now we're just going to pull this up and in towards the middle. Then we're going to add a curl along the top of the head. Just going to curve around and then back up. And we're going to pull this down and out towards the right side. Now we want to overlap the base of that curl. I'm going to step over, curve out, we'll round out the right side of the head, and pull that back in on the right. And then we'll add the trim along the inside of the face. Starting on the left side of the eyebrow, we'll curve out, around the face, and then down and in towards the neck. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Going out, around the glasses, down, and then in. Let's move to the center and draw on the tie. On the left side, draw a straight angled line coming down and in. Go to the right, come down and in. Close out the bottom with a straight line. Now from the bottom corners, we're going to angle down and out towards the side of the tie. And we'll come down and in towards the middle. Now from the base of the knot, we're going to step down, we're going to curve out and up underneath the head, line this up on the right, and we'll do the same thing. Now we're going to add the collar. From the top, we're going to step out, angle down and out, and we'll pull that straight in towards the edge of the collar. Now halfway along this line, we're going to angle down and out on either side. And we'll pull that down and in behind the tie with a straight angled line. Let's move out and draw the sides of the body. From the bottom corner of the head, we're going to step down, curve out, and then down. Do the same thing on the right. From the neck, step down, curve out, and down towards the same height. Now we'll connect the left and right side with a curve. Comes down the middle, just underneath the tip of the tie. Pull that back up on the right. Now from the tie, we'll draw a straight line coming down. Let's continue working down with the legs. In the center, we'll step down and draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, curve out and down towards the left heel. Move to the right, curve out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, I'm going to curve down and then up towards the toe. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the top of the foot. Starting on the left, we'll curve up and in. And then from the top of the foot, we'll draw a curve coming down and up towards the inside of the leg. Let's go back up and draw the side of the leg. From the bottom corner of the jacket, we're going to step in, curve down and in towards the top of the foot. Let's go back up and draw in the arms. We start halfway down the side of the body, curve out and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now back on the left, we're going to draw the thumb. We're going to draw a small half circle, curving in and then back out. And at the end of the thumb, we'll draw a bracket. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the base of the thumb, down and then up the first finger. We'll step down, curve down and up the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to curve around and up towards the corner of the head. Go out, round out the arm and then pull that up and in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, step down, and then the third finger is going to go all the way around and up and in towards the base of the neck. Now I'm going to add the cuff of the sleeve. Start from the top of the thumb, curve up and then out. We'll step up and draw that curve twice. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to add 2 small circles on the outside of the sleeve. One on the left, one on the right. And one last thing we're going to do is add some pockets on the side of the jacket. So start on the left side, we're going to draw a straight line coming in. Line this up on the right. Do the same thing. Come down along the inside with a short line. And we'll pull that back out towards the outside of the body. And that's pretty much it. There's Agent P from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.